So this is just a quick tutorial on how to straighten the robot and get it standing. There is a script that helps a little bit. It's called straighten. Let me just run this. First, the accelerometers all need to be working for this, of course. So I'm just going to run the script. And at first it goes through the feet, sets them, it tries to set them to the correct angle. Then it goes to the lower leg, the knee, then the leg motors, then the side motors, and then this hasn't done a great job. So it needs a little bit of work, but you can kind of keep running that script, and it will kind of tend to improve itself, but it still doesn't do a great job. So basically you have to do it yourself. So I just go to the motors window, and then there's a great tool. The B key will do both pairs, motor pairs, and then the O key will make them go opposite. So here we have a problem with motor 4 and A. 4 and A. So we want to just choose motor 4, B for both, and O for opposite, and then you can see that they will, and then just turn them, and you can see that they'll widen. But here we have A is obviously more extended, so I'm just going to change B, disable B and O, and just click motor A, and just bring that one downtown, right, to make the same level on both sides, right? Now the feet are too close together, so I'm gonna just click motor 4, both, O, spread them apart to the correct spacing, right, with the right arrow, using the arrow keys to left and right, and clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay, clearly we can probably put it down now. The right foot has an extension, so I'm just going to go motor 6, unselect B and O, and just put that one down. It looks like the torso is really leaning forward. The leg motors clearly are not well extended. So motor 3B, motor 3 is this one here. B means both of them. It's going to be same direction. So I'm going to start turning. If it's not enough strength, do S8, whatever. That's to change the strength. S8, SA, A is 10, right? We'll bring it up. It's interesting. Notice that when I do that, the legs spread apart, because there's a combination of physics there going on that causes that to free up those actuators. So let's go again. Motor 4, both, O to bring them both together. Here I can see that the torso swung backwards. It's something like the torso should be straight with the hip. So pretty much, I think I moved the feet a little, or sorry, moved the legs a little too much. I'm just gonna get both motor 3 and both to bring it forward a little bit. Yeah, like that. Should be forward a little bit. Here we see the knees are just they've gone straight knee, right? You know what, the straight, I don't know, I mean, I've been playing around with straight knee. It's pretty stable, but generally I want bent knee. So I do motor 2, which is this knee, both, and then just kind of bend them a little bit. Now we can see that motor is falling backwards. So generally the feet, motor 0 and 6, can bring the robot forward. It's not the only motor that can bring the robot forward. The legs also can. But that's the best way to bring it forward. So here we have it, standing robot, and this one's pretty stable. These are kind of weak knee motors. I've been experimenting. This is 46 RPM, and I think really 24, I think it is. The 24 version provides a lot more strength. But since I'm working on stepping and so on, the knee motor at 46 RPMs provides a lot quicker swing of the lower leg, which is helpful. So now it's falling backwards at the knee, so we want to just motor 2 on the knee and push it forward, and that will give it the stability it needs again, right? It's a little too forward. Bring it back a little more. It's pretty precise, but this design is really unforgiving, or it's really forgiving, yes. So it's really quite a nice design. So that's pretty much how you do it. There's no really single button currently to bring it back to standing. You have to adjust each one. And then motor 4B can be used to sort of shift its weight left or right, right? It's kind of a useful thing. Have it lean a little bit, and oops, seems like it's falling backwards, to get it aligned up correctly. Many times just stand it up. You'll see, okay, the feet are not really quite correct. This knee is not as bent. You know, we bend that, and now the motor 9 needs to come forward a little bit, right? This the right leg. Looks like there's a little bit of a tilt on the foot. Same thing for motor 1, the ankle. Actually, sorry, the ankle. So when you lift it up, they should be pretty much still equal. Here we have it leaning a little bit to the right. We'll change that with motor 4B, both of them. Still kind of falling back a little bit. We need a motor 2. The knees need to push forward a little bit more. Right? And it's interesting that it definitely is more stable the farther apart the legs are, but it's important, I think, to keep the legs kind of close together. That helps the tilting, the leaning. You know, if you need to lean left or right, if they're farther apart, it's more difficult.